Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? This is your social studies class. Okay, all of you open your reading book page number 73. Unit number 7 we had already studied. So many things we had discussed in the class. So first of all, mention the date and day on the top of the page. Chapter number 6, Rights and Responsibilities of a Citizen. We had discussed very deeply in the class all the points. So today we have to solve the exercise of this chapter. I will give you a homework and you have to do on the work page. So again, I am revising all the points for all of you. We had discussed about rights and responsibilities of a citizen. As we had discussed in the class, what are rights? A right is a power which every citizen can ask for and get. Definitely, all we have rights. All we have rights. So here in this chapter we have the rights of children and their responsibilities. Already we had discussed very thoroughly. So just I am telling you the main point. What are the children's right? Exactly, they have a right to food, right to shelter, right to health care, right to education, right to religion, right to freedom of speech. All these are rights of children. Okay, children, hope you remember all the points. Come on the next page, page number 74. Here you have given the responsibilities. Okay, and what is responsibilities or responsibility? Very simple, in a very simple word, responsibility mean duty, our duty. Okay, you can see on page number 74, responsibility is something that is your duty to do so. Okay, same as I have duty, I have responsibility to teach you very well. You have duty to must study hard. अगर मैं आपको बहुत अच्छा सा पढ़ा रही हूँ तो आपकी ड्यूटी क्या बनती है? This is your responsibility, this is your duty to do your homework properly, to prepare your test. Same as you have responsibility when you come in school, so you must have to come on time, come in a proper uniform. So all these are your responsibilities, na? So same as we had discussed so many things already in the class, and we have completed our reading in the class. So come on workbook page number, all of you, 52. All of you open your workbook page number 52. See, you have to mention the homework, day and date, जैसे आप लोग यूजुअली करते हैं, ठीक है? This is your homework. So okay, but first of all I will discuss you what have you do. Question देखिए आप यहाँ पर. Think about some rights that you would like children to have, which are important to you. Why are they important? Give reasons. Yes students, you have so many rights. आप बच्चों के बहुत सारे rights हैं. As I mentioned here, 4, these are really important. Right to food, right to education, right to religion, right to freedom of speech. But why they are important for you? These all are important because they have the right to survive, develop, be protected, be a true Muslims, and participate in decisions that impact their lives. Yes, exactly. This is all about you. ये आपके लिए important हैं for surviving, for developing, to be protected, to be a true Muslim, and participate in decisions that really impacts on your lives. So same as you have to write on the workbook. Then come on question number 2. These are the rights but these are the responsibilities. ये आपकी जिम्मेदारियां हैं और जो आपने आपके बारे में लिखा these are your rights, ये आपके rights हैं. Okay, so now we will write about the responsibilities. What are your responsibilities regarding your rights? Rights के साथ साथ आपकी responsibilities क्या बनती हैं? So you have to write number 1, you must study hard. Number 2, you should follow the religion and sunnah of Prophet, peace be upon him, exactly. Number 3, share your food with those who are hungry. Number 4, you must take care not to give pain with your words. Yes, whenever you want to say, but you must take care before you speak. Can nobody get hurt because of you. You must have be polite with all of them. You must take care before saying anything. So students, this is your homework. You have to do properly like this as I already shown you here. So inshallah in the next class we will discuss our next topic and relevant work. Allah Hafiz.